Hello guys, in this short and basic video, I'm gonna show you how to invert data in MS Excel. So guys, there is one method you can try to invert. Create a column and type here invert, enter the number from 1 to n. N is your beginning number for invert. Now highlight this both column. Now here click on this sort and custom sort. Here select my data has headers, sort by select invert and order, so select largest to smallest and click on OK. Now you can delete this column. So guys, this is the trick and method you can try to invert the data in Excel. Thanks for watching and comment on this method work for you.